Alright guys, this is my 2011 Premium Solo Plus. The rims and hubs are all stock. Just got the new Animal Light pegs today. Got a fit seat. Got a stock premium cranks with the Mission Clear with the red spindle pedals on it. Pretty cool. Stock front rim and hub. Got the Fit FAF tires on it. Got another Animal Light peg. Got the ODI bar ends and grips, Odyssey cable, Eastern brake lever. Got a new Odyssey headset today. Got a what is it? Colt Sprocket black. And they got a new red chain a while back. Kind of hard to see in here. Oh, and then I got the new Fly Bikes hanger, cable hanger. Kind of sucks. Cool stop brakes. It's a really light bike, but and slams, S&M Grand Slams XLTs, pretty nice. Need to get a new stem, it's stock, but yeah, great bike. 2011 Premium Solo Plus.